Fear of visibility in awakening. Solar plexus blocked. If you are going through spiritual awakening journey or Kundalini awakening journey and you feel that you cannot see your future, all the time you are blocked in your energies when it comes to looking into the future of your profession, your career, your financial aspects, your wealth, your monetary savings, investments, expenses. Everything feels like foggy and you somehow are stuck as nothing is happening in your life the way you wanted it to happen. This discourse about your fear of visibility in awakening is structured in such a way that you go into the space of introspection and not just listen to it for the sake of listening. You have to review your life after listening to this discourse. Something should hit in you. A shift should happen in you. You should be able to locate in yourself the areas where you are stuck, why you are stuck, and why you are feeling so. You started your journey much before you know. The solar plexus blockages that you are experiencing is creating the lack of vision towards your future, towards what to do next. You don't know what to do with your life. You don't know about your life purpose. You're not even aware about your ikigai. And if you are already engaged in a job or work or any profession or business, then you are not able to focus on that work, whatever be its platform of doing it. Somehow you feel that you are at the wrong place and something is not right in your life. If you are feeling these blockages, then naturally you are less productive in your work and you are dragging your work. You are going through extreme level of fatigued. When it comes to work, something in you pulls you back and you have to drag yourself. Your brain, your nervous system does not support the work that you are doing right now. Every morning you get up only to run away from the work that you are doing. You don't want to go to the office. You don't want to face your seniors or juniors. You don't want to go into that corporate culture of the rat race that the world is into. And something in you is telling you again and again that something is wrong in your life. Yet you don't have the vision about the future, or you have become so much handicapped that you don't feel like taking new risk. You don't feel like investing in anything, any skill or any new opportunities that is coming your way, or you are yourself going out of the way to explore the opportunities or the learning of new skills because you are too much tired and burnt out. You're overly exhausted. You feel that the energy that was in you a few years back, maybe a decade ago or 2 decades ago, no more exists in you. Suddenly you woke up and found that you have become old. The youthfulness is gone, and you cannot guess where these years have gone by. At the age of 20, 21, 25, you were highly energetic. You were charged with life. You were full with ambition, dreams, and the drive towards making a difference to this earth. You wanted to create a future for yourself. You wanted to do something that will change everything in the world. You wanted to invent something that would change the lives of many people. But something happened in your life that you were thrown into the matrix way of living life, of doing a job, or being engaged in a business or work that you never wanted to do. There are millions of people out there who commit suicide just because they cannot live the life purpose for which they are born. And a time comes when they get pressurized by the environment, by the family, by the situation, that they take away their life because there is no hope left. There is no strength in the soul anymore to live the life for which you are born. So what should be the way out? The way out is to know primarily why this is happening. Once you get the understanding behind why this is happening, then I will give you the solution of how to go there. Take the understanding that if you have fear of visibility in awakening, it means that your solar plexus is blocked. Now, where is the solar plexus? I will show you. This is the solar plexus. This area is the solar plexus. The diaphragm is the point of solar plexus. Below the rib cage, this is the rib cage, and this is the point. You saw the solar plexus point. Now, understand that this solar plexus point is the core of your existence. Core of your existence means when you talk about the body, then all the major nerves are intertwined in this region, and all the organs, be your digestive system or your endocrine system or your musculoskeletal system, all the organs are packed in this region. So this region is the point of diaphragm. The point of diaphragm is the region where you take the breathing, from where the breathing happens, the diaphragmatic breathing happens. So if you have the fear of visibility towards your future, that means that your breath is on hold, your diaphragm is on hold. And when your diaphragm is on hold, you are not breathing. Your system, your body has gone into nervous system hold. That is the freeze mode. And that freeze mode is generating fear in you regarding your career, regarding your life, regarding your profession, and regarding everything that is actually the reason of your birth. If you are not knowing why you are born, then even if you run in different direction towards creating the future from your mind, from your desire of the ego, that I will do this, I will do that, I will achieve this, I will achieve that in certain number of years, I will make money in so many years, or I will create wealth of this much net worth, I will be rich like this person, like that person, I will be financially free after so many years. Nothing is going to happen. Your solar plexus blockages are linked to two things. One is your life purpose and another is your destiny. Life purpose is different from your destiny. Life purpose is the reason why you are born, and that is the journey of the spirit, the soul towards evolution. And your destiny is based on the karmas that you have created so far. If you have created bad karmas in the past, then naturally those energies are carried forward in this birth to be fructified. This means you got punishment about the bad karmas that you have created in the past, and now these energies are going to block the way you function in life. For example, I'm taking one or two births for your understanding, but there are millions of births you have taken. In some of the births, when you were operating as a professional, you may be a trader or a businessman in which you used to sell adulterated food to other people, and many people died due to the food poisoning because of the adulterated food that you sold to them. You earned money in that birth, you were rich in that birth, and you suffered also due to the adulteration that you have done. Now, in that birth, you may have died a pathetic death, or you have suffered in your own way. Your business was not functional after a certain time, you incurred losses after a certain time, and that was a part of the punishment. But if you have affected, or due to eating the food that you have sold to the customers and they have died in thousands, and you have actually created your karma, bad karma, through which you will be getting punishment of killing 1,000 people. Now in that birth, 100 people, the punishment of 100 people you got due to loss in the business, and after that you died in that birth. But now you have taken birth, and in this birth, the 900 people who died in that birth due to your bad intention of greed, those people's punishment is still due. So what will happen in this birth? Your solar plexus energetically will be blocked by the energy of non-performance, non-doing, no visibility about what to do with your future. Though you are a normal next door guy without any much bad karmas in this birth, you have studied, you have done your best in this birth by studying well, by having professional degrees, by performing well in the work that you are doing, still you feel these kind of blockages, and these blockages won't be removed automatically. For that you need powerful guru like me, who can work on clearing the blockages, because this is what my expertise is. With my clairvoyant reading, I get to know exactly why someone is like this. For example, one of my students who was going through blockages in his solar plexus, from the past life regression, I came to know that in some of the births, he was a criminal. And since he was a criminal, he used to earn money by killing people. He used to take the contract of killing people, and he was a contract killer. So what is happening in this birth? That punishment is still due. And nothing is happening in his life until I cleared the blockages. And he did the sadhanas required to ask for forgiveness for those bad karmas that he has created in the past birth. So it is that clear-cut punishment, reward and punishment game. At the same time, if something is happening good in your life and you have committed some good karmas in your past lives, then also you will get the good results of that birth in this life. But why you are facing the lack of vision? It's because it is clouded. The solar plexus is blocked. Your core is blocked. Core is the center of your energy production. And if your nervous system is on hold mode, your body is unable to rest and digest. And when your body is unable to rest and digest, your brain is not receiving the required oxygen, required prana to run your system. Your nervous system is always in threat mode, always in danger mode, and it doesn't allow you to take any risk. Why do you feel fear all the time? Because you are unable to take risk. And your body and nervous system, brain and nervous system, will not allow to take any risk in life until and unless it is a proven risk. Proven risk means you will be doing calculative risk. You will be doing only what is comfortable for you, what is probable for you, what is possible for you, but you will not go beyond a certain limit and you will not take risk beyond the unseen. And life is all about unpredictability. So, all these blockages are leading to your non-productive nature because there is inner conflict. Your spirit, the journey of the spirit is to evolve, and that is why you are born. So, the spirit needs the life purpose to flow in that direction. And when you flow in the direction of your life purpose, you will also experience flow in your life. But you are feeling fear, and that fear is arising because of the stuckness in life. Nothing is happening in your life. Whatever effort you put, you are unable to unlock this solar plexus blockage. So, I will teach you a few techniques that you can apply and implement on your own. And if you feel a certain kind of release, then I suggest you do it more and more in day-to-day life. And after a certain point, if you are understanding that this is not possible only with me doing it, I need the guru, then definitely you can contact our team and arrange for the consulting or projects as you are eligible and as you are needing it. Alright, so the technique is you need to activate your solar plexus. So, few things you can do by watching my other discourses on how to activate your solar plexus. I have taught the techniques, so you can watch those videos and apply those techniques. And at the same time, the new techniques I am teaching you here is you need to activate your diaphragm. What is the purpose of activating the diaphragm? If your nervous system is on hold in this region, suppose this is the diaphragm, this is the point of diaphragm, and here are the knots. It is the solar plexus region. When you push the diaphragm, then all your internal organs, the digestive organs like stomach, spleen, liver, kidney, everything will be getting the massage through the belly breathing activation. Your diaphragm activation means your belly breathing will be activated. And when your belly breathing is activated, this means that your parasympathetic breathing is getting activated, and this will activate the vagus nerve. When your vagus nerve is activated, gradually your brain will start healing, your nervous system will start healing, because this will also activate the prana circulation in the energy channels. When prana circulation is activated, then your brain, your nervous system captures the frequency of the energy in your subtle body, that is the energy of Kundalini Shakti or the energy of the soul for which you have taken birth. And these energies will be captured by your brain and processed through the nervous system and will be decoded to you in the form of a clear-cut vision about your future. You will get the inner GPS signals of your future career, future life, your life purpose will reveal to you. So, this technique is to blow out all the extra stale air, toxicity, carbon dioxide, everything from your system, and you need to do it very fast and with force, like this. You can keep one hold on the solar plexus and press it and do it like this. And then do it faster. this will release the trauma locked in your solar plexus region, and it will unlock and unblock the energies in your nerve centers. Alright, so you can do this technique 500 times or 1000 times in a day based on the blockages you have. If you feel all the time blocked energy, then do it 1000 times throughout the day. Divide it into 100 times and do it 10 times in a day. In one sitting, 10 to 15 minutes, if you sit and keep doing like this, 100 times will be over. Like this every hour, you do this technique and you will be feeling better day by day. And suddenly what will happen? A surge of energy will pass through your Sushumna, that is Kundalini energy, and it will hit your brain. It will hit your crown chakra, and that crown chakra will be revealing to you through your third eye activation the purpose for which you are born. You will be able to see visions about your future, and gradually the energy of fear will be shifted too. And at the same time, to keep yourself recharged, whatever toxicity or carbon dioxide or whatever was built up in your system, that went through this technique. And when your energy channel is empty and the exchange has happened, now if you infuse prana, then fresh oxygen will be absorbed by your cells and fresh prana will be circulating in your energy channels. These two will activate your brain and nervous system in a new way, and this new energy will be able to access to the frequency of the universe, revealing to you the purpose for which you are born. And it works. It works. If you do it for 100 days, you will gradually see that all the cobweb in your mind is removing, all the blockages in your career is removing, and you are getting the insights about what to do next. Slowly, but you are getting aware of the situation or events that will happen in future and that you will create through your energy by removing these blockages. Suddenly you will feel that you are getting inclined to learning new skills. You are able to invest more of your attention towards researching, exploring about new skills to learn, in what way you can enhance your life, in what way you can invest in yourself. And slowly your monetary problems are getting solved. You are able to work in a productive way. If you have been burdened by too much of liabilities or loans, then you are able to pay the loans well. You are able to work in a better way so that you can get rid of the past liabilities or loans that have been accumulated and you were unable to do so, and that was creating additional stress. So first you do this technique of blowing out, and immediately you, after doing it 100 times, or you can do it alternately. After I will teach you the next technique, and that is fast inhalation like this. Both this technique will open up your solar plexus blockages and your core will be strengthened. Gradually the muscles in your core will be strengthened, and when your core is strengthened, your spine will become straight, your chest will open up. And these two techniques also open the lobes of your lungs, and your lungs, your heart can function in the highest capacity. And when your respiratory organs, lungs and heart operate in the highest capacity, and this technique also activates the respiratory centers in your brain which have gone into freeze mode. Your inhalation, your exhalation, the modulation in the inhalation and exhalation, the speed, the breathing rate, everything is monitored by these respiratory centers in the brain. And these centers are located in the medulla and the pons of the brain that regulate your breathing. Now your breathing will activate the reptilian brain, that is the instinctive brain in your body, that is the lower part of your brain is instinctive brain. When your instinctive brain is activated, you will get the instinctive courage also. You will get the instinctive intelligence. Instinctive intelligence means you are not fearful about the unknown. You are ready to take the plunge like the early men. They used to take challenges, but in the new era, in the new civilization, you are too much into the comfort zone. You don't feel manly. You don't feel masculine. So apply these two techniques. You can either do the blow exhalation 100 times separately and 100 times this fast inhalation, and these two could I call this two as energy booster. It boosts your energy and you will feel energetic throughout the day. And I suggest you do these techniques in the beginning of the day, means from morning till evening you can do it. At night you can slow down, you can do other techniques that are for rejuvenation, and that I have taught in most of the videos. Still, a glimpse into that technique I will give you here also. After evening, you can do the technique of slow exhalation, complete exhalation, and deep exhalation and long. How to do it? You need to do it from your mouth and your belly should deflate. So, throughout the day, you can do this blow exhalation, fast inhalation. This is energy booster. And throughout the day, for your balancing, you can keep on doing mouth exhalation, deep, slow, complete, long, like this. You can keep on doing other activities and include this technique. Make it slower, 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 deeper. And you need to understand that these three techniques are useful to unblock your nervous system blockages, unblock your energy channel blockages, activate your brain dead centers, activate your nervous system disorders. Your stem cells are generated through these techniques, because these three techniques alone has the power to change the way your entire system works. It has multiple benefits. It leads to, first of all, vasodilation, and when vasodilation happens, then your cells are able to absorb the oxygen and produce energy. And in the presence of oxygen, when your cells produce energy, then that energy is utilized by the body to produce good quality of bones, muscles, tissues, and everything that your body is composed of. And at the end of this process, your semen is produced, which is of high quality. So, if you want to get back to the courage of visibility during your awakening, then you have to unblock solar plexus, and at the same time, you have to include semen retention as a part of your practice. Stop watching porn, masturbating, and doing all the addictions of drinking alcohol, eating unhealthy food, animal killed food, dead matter, junk food, or anything that is not useful for your body. And when you do so, then your body will produce good quality of ojas. Your life purpose will be revealed after 1 year of semen retention. So, combined with all these techniques, you will be able to feel that once your solar plexus is getting unblocked, you are getting good quality of dopamine release, and that dopamine release is inspiring you to do it more. Your testosterone level will increase, and in case of female, your estrogen will release if you stop all the addictions and focus on your energy by not wasting your valuable feminine energy by sleeping with multiple partners. Stop sleeping with multiple partners. Look out for the only man in your life who will complete you, who will be a conscious man. And as a man, you also stop releasing semen and stop looking for cheap dopamine in cheap quality females. Look for good quality females with whom you can complete all your energies that you are born for. So, for that aspect, I will cover in some other discourses, but these are the hints towards how you can have a clear vision about your future. You can discover your ikigai, and then you can work in this direction throughout your life for a healthy and happy you. It is just the tip of the iceberg that I have touched in this discourse, because it is very deep and you have to take my personal consulting to understand what applies to you. It will definitely give you awareness, but to work on yourself, you need me personally for one-to-one consulting, and or you have to work with in the projects with me, because it is energetic work. It is deep energetic work. It cannot be understood only by logical mind. It has to be experienced over a period of time, during your period of semen retention, during your application of these techniques, and how things unfold in your life. All right. So have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.